Hello guys and welcome to this new YouTube video, and in this video I will tell you that how to increase your productivity by using ChatGPT. You can use any kind of large language model, but the ChatGPT is at a very power of its accuracy. So let's start with the video and I will tell you that how to use ChatGPT to increase your productivity with these 9 advanced prompts. So I will just see that ChatGPT is completely at par of its accuracy with its GPT-4 model. And by using its GPT-4 model, we can implement some of these 9 advanced prompts. The first prompt here that I used is that focuses on the most important prompt. So the prompt says that act as an expert, and you can want it to expertise in a certain topic, and you can tell what goal you want to learn as quickly as possible, and it will make a list of the important things that you need to know and master that topic. So it will help you to learn anything by focusing on the main part. And the next prompt that we have is define concept and understand it. So you want to learn some concept and you want to define it and understand it completely by explaining its principle and all kind of thing. So this prompt will help you to define that concept and understand that concept by using the everyday life examples. Okay. And the next prompt we have is that it can relate multiple topics. So you have 2 or 3 multiple topics you want to understand. So it can give you the difference between those topics and help you to understand it. As you see in my screen, I wanted to describe and explain the relationship between the artificial intelligence and artificial general intelligence. So it will tell me that what's different between them and in a very explained and very easy language. And the next prompt we have, it can consult an expert and ask questions. So you want to have need a career guidance or some kind of other expertise you need, and you don't have a quick content to consultant. You can make your ChatGPT an expert consultant and ask questions. We just have to give this prompt that can make the ChatGPT expert in a certain topic and can ask questions about these topics and can answer you very well. You can see on my screen the prompt can give you answers about that job automation kind of stuff. It is a very amazing kind of thing it is. And the next prompt we have, that is learn the most important terms, that how you can learn something about certain topic like artificial general intelligence, AI and many more things. So you can use this prompt and it will tell you that how you can learn about this thing, tell you that what are the most important terms that are uses in this field and what are their importances, and you can learn those terms and be the master of any kind of domain. And the next prompt we have, that helps you to create a learning plan. This prompt will help you to build a kind of a complete learning plan. You can build it in a weekly basis, in a monthly basis, in a daily basis. That's completely on you. By using this prompt, it can help you to learn any skill and also explain that what you want to learn in those skills and how you can learn those skills completely by using this prompt. This prompt is very much good for the students. And the next prompt we have, it is easily understand anything. Suppose you have a kind of a topic, you want to learn about the topic, you want to learn the basic idea that how that thing works, what are the principles behind that, and what are the examples, real life examples, and what are the future use cases. So this prompt can help you to understand anything in a very easy way. In the video we can see that I explain the topic that how large language models work. So it can help you to understand that what are large language models, how those work, and what are the examples. All the kind of things can be easily done by using this prompt. And the next prompt we have is increasing your productivity. So I just want you have a team to manage, and you want to know that what are the ways that you can use to increase the productivity of that team and become the best Scrum Master available in the company. So you can use this prompt. That prompt will help you to stabilize your team work and increase the productivity by telling you what are the ways you can use to monitor your teamwork and increase the work output. For the next prompt we have, it is a bonus prompt, and this prompt will help you to build a crisis plan. Suppose you are working for a company and you want to know that I am building kind of a large language model or a AI product, but I want to also know about a crisis plan. What if that product goes wrong? What if that product has a bias? So you need to know what are the potential crises and how you can safeguard customers from those crises and ensure the business continuity. So this prompt will help you to build that kind of a business crisis plan. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy these all kind of prompts, and that can help you really to increase your productivity and can master you any kind of skill that you want to learn. So can you use this prompt, and let me know in the comment section that how these prompts are helping you in your daily life. So we'll meet up in next video. In next video I will explain about the Claude 2 large language model that is built by the Anthropic, and we can see that how that Claude 2 model is very much different from the ChatGPT and Google Bot. So let's meet in our next video, and guys, thank you so much.